the kind of roads or smart roads we are making with these duct lines, the new sewage line and everything. Do you think that is an absolute necessity right now? The issue is only with planning and execution and not with the motive behind the whole thing.
See, I don't look at superficial beautification of roads. When we make any road or do any improvement in the city, ultimately the city should work. Just stop beautification will not help. Now, how can you plan a city if you say you have no plans? You don't have the underground plans at all. You don't know what is the underground drainage system. You don't know what is the underground water pipeline. You don't know what is the underground electrical system. This is what I've been told even as on today, that we have no plans. So if you have no plans, why did you start digging up the city? I think anyone has to plan first and then execute. You don't execute and then, try to firefight and, try to alter something as the work progresses. I have seen drains, stormwater drains being broken. I even ran to the corporation office saying that so-and-so drain is being broken, please send a supervisor or the engineer. But unfortunately, the corporation says nobody is listening to us. Now this is shocking. When you say nobody is listening to us, who do the citizens run to?
Where does the buck stop?
Where does the buck stop? Who do the citizens run to? I even went to the extent of saying, if nobody is listening to you all, why don't you all resign en masse, at least in protest?